Hello, today I want to show you how to use Mendeley desktop. So first of all, just open your Mendeley desktop. In here, I already have some articles, but will show you how to add new one. So in the right side of your screen, I have some articles and just drag and drop one of them. And as you can see, Mendeley will automatically recognize the title, the authors, the years, volume, issue, and etc. So let's now how to use Mendeley in Word. So let's say open your Word. I already have this proposal template, and then let's say you already have a paraphrase, and then you want to insert citation. So just go to reference and then insert citation, and then you type, let's say, the title or the authors of the article. Let's say this one is Putri. So write Putri and click OK. And yeah, Mendeley automatically generate citation for you. And then how you put the bibliography. So let's say you want to put it here, and then just click insert bibliography. And once again, uh, Mendeley will automatically generate for you in this Word. And then let's say you want to add another citation, just click insert citation and let's say LSD. This is the title for another articles, and then click OK. For this one, the article is written by Dewani and et al. And then if you scroll down, the bibliography is automatically generated in your Word. That's all from me. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.